As we come to the end of this important workshop, my heart is filled with gratitude and hope. Over the past days, we have worked together to reflect, discuss, and refine how gender mainstreaming and inclusion can be integrated in our job service operations and wider technical and vocational education training mission of the Don Bosco Tech Africa. This workshop has been more than a technical exercise. It has been a call to action. Inclusion, as we have seen, is not about defeat or conformity, but about approaching the dignity of each person with respect and commitment. It challenges us to see beyond labels and barriers, to encounter the young where they are, and to accompany them in their personal and professional journeys. We are reminded that true inclusion is deeply rooted in the Salesian spirit, respect for the young, collaboration with lay partners, fidelity to the teachings of the Church, and alignment with our national policies. It is about listening to the voices of young people, especially those on the margins, young women, those living in rural areas, and persons with disabilities, and ensuring that no one is left behind. I wish to sincerely thank all the PT vets and JSOs who have contributed with dedication to this revision exercise. Your insights, perspectives have enriched our common work. Special thanks also goes to Brother John, Proxy, and Innocent for their strong technical guidance, and to our interpreter, Father Gerald, for making sure that every voice was heard and understood. Special appreciations to Don Bosco Youth Network Ghana, the VIS, Jugend Heineveld, and Don Bosco Tech Africa for funding this important workshop. As a next step, a technical team will be set up to review and refine the final draft of the manual. It is our shared desire that this document will not remain on shelves, but will be presented and shared with the respective PDOs, institute directors, JSOs, and PTVETs of each province to guide our work at all levels. Finally, I invite each of us to go forth as Don Bosco ambassadors of inclusivity, carrying this vision into our institutions, our communities, and our personal lives. Let us continue to champion a culture where every young person, regardless of gender, ability, or circumstances, can find a place, a voice, and a future with hope. As Brother John reminded us, our learning is not complete until the writings in this document are felt by our young people, until we drive the desired impact, until we have it really deeply rooted in the insertion of our young people in the world of work. Thank you all, and may God bless our mission